We've already done the New Year's resolutions, the chief executives, now the rest of us. According to a new poll, you see this, the most popular resolutions are all to do with health. The only financial promise to make the list is save more, spend less. Elizabeth is with me, the executive coach. Good to see you, Elizabeth. Spend more, save less. Come on, we never do.
Well, look, this is the way you're going to do it. You want to think about the why behind spend less, right? You want to really think about what is the purpose behind it. So when I go to buy that designer pair of shoes or that new suit or something I really don't need, think about the pain attached to that. Oh, wow, I don't want to go into debt. Oh, wow, then I won't be able to afford that. So you really want to get clear on your why and your purpose behind the New Year's resolution.
I want to look good on the beach in the summer, therefore, what was that laugh? Oh, thank you, Doctor. With colleagues like this, who needs... Thank you, with the snort of derision from the peanut gallery. Right, I want to look good on the beach in the summer. So I've got to work out more. Now, think why, what, tell me how.
Exactly. Okay, so for me, my New Year's resolutions this year is to eat more healthily. So how am I going to do that? Where's my problem? Where's my stumbling block that is raiding the pantry every night? I'm a cereal snacker, so what did I do? I created a plan. Get rid of all the junk. Get the healthy food in so I'm not tempted every night by chips and Cheetos and cookies. And then I write it down and put those calendar reminders in there. And I also think when I'm out to a restaurant and I think about getting that second piece of whatever it is, I think about the stomach hanging over the pants. I don't want that. That's my why. That's my purpose.
What happens when it gets to February and in the office and you just don't care?
Well, that's because then you haven't written it down. You haven't had a clear set of priorities. You haven't written it down. You haven't made calendar reminders.
Hang on. I want beach body. I've written it down now. Well,
and why do you want beach body?
Because it looks good.
Okay. You want to look good? You want to look good on the beach?
I'm sure we should be talking about financial things at the moment. All right. I want to invest and make money.
Okay. So how are you going to do it? What do you need to do? What do you need to do?
Sell my Snap shares, which, as regular viewers know, are now down about 82% over what they are. Seriously, though, what's the purpose of all these New Year's resolutions? Do they serve a purpose? To somebody like yourself who's extremely ordered and well-structured?
They do. It's a goal. It's another goal. It's something that's been bothering you throughout the year, something you haven't been able to do or get done. So it's just, think of it as another goal, right? So then you want to plan it out. What do I need to do if I want to invest more, or if I want to get a new job, or if I want to ask for a raise? What do I... For example, for a raise, what do you want to do? You want to do your research. What are my counterparts in other companies or other departments making?
Promise me you will come back during the course of the year many times, update us on your snack attacks.
Yes.
And help us understand the etiquette of the office and our social lives.
I sure will.
Good to see you. Happy New Year, as always.